Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today's question is find the RMS value of the current I is equal to A sin theta over a complete cycle. You know RMS. RMS means root mean square value. Okay. So for what is given I is equal to A sin. I have written I is equal to sin theta. Then over a complete cycle we have to draw a one diagram like this. Y axis, then x axis, this. Now wave. Complete wave means complete cycle or wave. Okay. So this 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. Okay. Now complete cycle is telling us here to here. This is complete cycle. Okay. I'm writing here complete cycle. Okay. Now we have to find what limits also. Okay. So limits is our is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to complete cycle telling means this we are taking 2 pi. Okay. Here also here pi only there. Okay, not n. Okay, now root means square value. Root means square value is equal to under root mean square value. We can find mean square value after we have to do under root. Okay, so mean square value formula is msv is equal to 1 by b minus a integrate a to b. Now here I is given, no, so you have to write I square I square not f of x into f of x whole square into dx. This formula we are using. So here it becomes what is b is whatever 2 pi minus 0 a 0 integrate 0 to 2 pi. Now f of x means I only. Okay, this is f of x only in formula. Okay, f of x what is a sin theta, a sin theta whole square mean square value we are using, no, into dx. Now you have become 1 by 2 pi integrate 0 2 pi. Now separate square it, so it become a square into sine square theta into d theta. Here also theta come here. We are differentiating with respect to theta here. Okay, then what here becomes next, here take a square outside, so a square by 2 pi integrate 0 to 2 pi sine square theta into d theta. In integration we don't have sine square theta formula, so what I have to do, a square by 2 pi, instead of sine square theta we can write sine square theta. Therefore sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay, so it becomes 1 by cos 2 theta by 2. So next I am writing the step here only, it will better to you understand. Now here what it becomes, some camera down. Next see see a square by, now take, now what I have to do, a square by 2 pi. Now integrate it. Now integrating means here I am integrating 1 means integrate 1 dx is equal to x only. Okay, integrate 1 becomes outside. Okay, so here the integrate is x. Now we are differentiating with theta, so it becomes theta minus, now here see next 2, what you get, cos 2 theta, so it is in the form of integrate cos ax. Okay, ax is equal to sine ax by 2, so it becomes sine 2 theta by 2. Okay, now here mother, this is what our fx. Okay, here it is our fx. Now here see I'm forgot to tell you one step here. See here this 2 come outside here, so here it will multiply. Okay, so here become 4 pi. At last a square by 4 pi theta minus sine 2 theta by 2. Now this is our fx. Now we have to apply the limits. Now we have to apply the limits means which we are fb minus fa is equal to what is b, followed as 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. We integrate, no? So you have to write here 2 pi. Okay. Now what is b? 2 pi, and a is 0. Okay. Now here become a square by 4 pi theta. Theta is first we have to b is what? Instead of theta we have to put this value b. B is instead of theta 2 pi minus sine 2 into theta. Instead of theta we have to write 2 pi, then divide by 2, then minus of, then minus, now 0. Instead of here we have to put 0. 0 minus sine 2 into 0 by 2. Okay. Now here see a square by 4 pi 2 pi minus sine. Now sine 4 pi, here becomes sine 4 pi. Okay. Next what you have to do, 4 pi by 2 minus, here this the function become here 0. Okay. So 0 means sine 2 into 0 means 0. So sine 0 is 0. So 0 means minus 0 by 2. So a square by 4 pi, a square by 4 pi pi into 2 pi minus sine 4 pi. 4 in trigonometry, pi is equal to 180. 4 pi means 180 into 4. So 180 into 4 means how much? 180 into 4 means 720. Sine 720 is equal to 0 only. Okay. So here this function become here 0. Then here also this function becomes 0. Then here see this pi and this pi get cancelled here. Okay. Now here 2 ones are 2 twos are. At last our mean square value is equal to a square by 2. Now root mean square value means square value is equal to under root mean square value is equal to under root a square by 2. Here the root will apply for both also. It become root a square by under root 2. Here square and root get cancelled. At last our answer is a square by root 2. This is our answer. Thanks for watching.